Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I got a request to make this petals, not petals, this viral rose braid design, and I have just been waiting for an opportunity to try it out, and it just hasn't presented itself. So this client wanted me to braid her natural fussy hair all back so that she can put on her wigs. When I got to this point, I remember this braid design and I was like, please, can I just make a design at the back of your head? She was like, as far as it will not be bulgy and it will not interfere with the braids lying flat. I was like, okay, for sure. But guys, remember, when you're making this petals design, right, at the end of it you have to like put in together the tails of the various of the three different braids, and it of course is going to be bulky because you have to make three braids into one, right? And I just wanted to try the hair and find a way to like make it still okay for her while still getting to practice the petals design. And this was the initial um the outline of the petals design. It is like Nigerian olden days water pots, clay water pots. If you've seen Nigerian movies, those clay pots, the shape, that's what it is like. But I can tell you now from trying this hair this first time, next time I am not going to make the lower end to be robust as it is. Like when you make the top, curve in a little and make it completely straight down below so that it doesn't have that rounded bottom, because I think it affected the shape of the petal. Although when I was the rose, sorry, when I was looking up like pictures of rose flower to just have an idea of what the braid should look like, there are some roses that have that curvy bottom. But anyway, I'll let you finish watching, and I think I'll just make this design on my mannequin so that I can explain better. If you don't fully understand this one, then look forward to that video. It will be up in a couple of days, and at this point I am just going to let you watch. But we basically make three sections carving out. Guys, this natural hair was not really friendly in showing the lines very well, because if you don't use gel to like lay the hair away from the pattern or the sections, it's just going to cover together. So I'll practice it on my mannequin so that I can demonstrate better. But for now, I am going to let you finish watching so that you can see how I did it. Enjoy. Give it a thumbs up if I tried at all.